Hello beauties, hello cuties, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from, and also when you come across this video on YouTube channel. So first of all guys, I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine, and I just want to say thank you guys for your amazing support. May God bless you, protect you, and grant you all your heart desire. Whatever you plan to do in this year 2021, you shall prosper, and may your secret prayer be answered in Jesus' name. Amen. If you are new here, and if today is your very first time you seeing this face on YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor. Subscribing is free. Turn on the red subscription in there and also the notification bell so that anytime I put in a new video, you can be the first to notify and come and check it out yourself. So today I just want to talk about two things that a lot of people have been asking me on my comment section, because replying them often and often, even when you upload a new video, they will still come and ask you the same question. So this is just the question today. This is just the question and answering. So today guys, you guys know these two lightning tube are my favorite. Here is Hyprogel, which is orange cream, and this one is fashion fair cream. So this is cream and this is gel. So I have these two since last year. That is to tell you I don't use them often. Lightning tube is not something that you have to use all the time, or probably using them like this on your skin is not nice. It will condemn your skin. It won't only condemn your skin, it will give you green veins, and if care is not taken, if you have a sensitive skin like mine, if your skin is very light, it might also cause you stretch mark. So to avoid those two things guys, this is how you have to mix your cream. Mix it with your cream. Don't use it like this. A lot of people who do have similar problem like green vein and stretch mark, because they normally use it like this. There was a girl that commented on my video, the video I did about how I missed my Nivea. That was 3 months or 4 months ago. She said, you know of someone who is using this, and she was advising people not to use it because some people in their village, they are using this cream and you need to see their skin. Yes, I would say people in the village guys, where they see anything that lightens the skin, they don't read the instruction, they don't want to know anything about it. As far as they just want to lighten up their skin, they want to whiten up their skin because they want to glow like the people in the city. They use it like that. They don't nobody to tell them this is how to use it, most especially our ladies, our mothers in the village. So they normally use this cream like this. If you have a mother that is using this cream just like this, please advise them, ask them to mix it with their cream. This cream means no harm. It doesn't cause any problem to your skin. That is if you go through the instruction and use it properly on your skin. That is to say, if you want to use any of this, whether this or this, if you want to use any tube you feel like using, any tube you are using on your skin, please let me say this particular one, I've been using it for close to 6 months now guys. 6 months. Just imagine, and I still have much. This one is very small. I can use it to mix 2 of my cream again if I want to mix, like probably next 2 months again. So that is how to use tube. You don't just use tube, apply it on your skin like that. It's not nice. If you want to lighten up your skin, it take process. Be patient. If you want to lighten up your skin, whatever cream you are using, whatever cream any YouTuber suggested to you, use it the way they ask you to use it. Don't just because you see a YouTuber, her skin is light, her skin is fair, she's white, or I don't know, I'm not that fair, I'm just light. So you just want to be like them instantly. You just want to buy everything and mix everything together just like that. No. If you want to use anything tube, avoid using it directly like this on your skin. Avoid using it directly like this on your skin to avoid green vein and stretch mark. The reason why a lot of people do have stretch mark is because, most especially if your skin is very light, stretch mark can cause by ash cream. Stretch mark can cause by if you are adding weight, if your skin is stretching, or if you are pregnant, you can easily have stretch mark. But the one that most people do have stretch mark because of the bad cream they have used on their skin, just like me. When I have stretch mark back then in Nigeria, then guys, I know I have stretch mark. The reason why I have stretch mark was because I was using Caro White. Then I used Caro White the full set, and my skin is very soft and sensitive and light. So I was using Caro White the complete set, and when I was using this cream guys, it was okay. And I love myself, but the problem was that I was having stretch mark. Even if I was having stretch mark, I keep on using it. All my hopes, or maybe probably is because I'm adding weight, so something like that. I never knew that Caro White is the cause of my stretch mark. Then I had to stop it. When I stopped it, when I came to Europe, and I saw a friend of mine, we both live in the same room. You know, guys, if you come as a refugee, I was once a refugee. I'm proud to say it, because the process is not easy if God has been faithful anyways. So there's a friend of mine, we both live in the same room. She was using Caro White, everything about Caro White. Her skin is nice. She doesn't have stretch mark, nothing. Then I just realized that, yes, maybe it wasn't nice on my skin. Everybody's skin is not the same. Skin with different types, you understand? Your skin might be sensitive and at the same time strong. Your skin might be sensitive at the same time light. When I mean light, which is very, very soft and light, anything you apply on it, it works easily. So even if your skin is a strong skin, don't use this tube, any whitening or lightening tube on your skin like that. Even anybody advise you, you can use it if your skin is very strong. Use it, it won't condemn your skin. No, even if your skin is strong, I know you won't have stretch mark. Believe me, you will definitely have no course. You will definitely have discoloration on your skin. If you want to use any of these products, if you want to use any lightening tube, please, I advise you, please, my great family in here, make sure you mix it with your cream. Mix it with your cream. Any cream you are using, mix it with the cream. And now let's just go straight to another point again. A lot of people have been asking me, they will say, please, I have this, I have Fair and White So White. Should I mix other lightening oil to my Fair and White So White? Yes, guys, let me tell you this. Yes or no. Let me answer you with that, either yes or no. My answer is no. If you want to go for a product, and first of all, you have to check if that product, if it has a lightening or oil, lightening tube, anything that concerns that product, make sure you get everything together. The reason why I normally promise my Nivea is because Nivea is a normal body moisturizer that it doesn't contain anything lightening or anything bleaching of skin. So I only had some few products, other products to eat to lighten up my skin a little bit. It's not a bleaching thing. I didn't mix my cream for me to bleach my skin. I just mix it for me to lighten up my skin. If you want to do it that way, you can do it, because a lot of people have been asking me, why do we normally advise people to use whitening cream or to use, so I don't use whitening products. I only mix my cream. How to mix my cream is what I normally tell people, how I mix my cream to get my skin lighter than the way I am, and or I just want to make my skin to look more light. So that is just it. If you want to mix any cream, if you are using any cream, like if you are using shea butter or anything you want to lighten up your skin, you can just go ahead and look for any product that is suitable on your skin, that is nice on your skin, that you know it will give you anything discoloration or anything redness, grievous, stretch mark, or anything on your skin, and you trust that product, like Macari, Fair and White, other product that I can actually tell people to use. So if you want to use all those things, you can just look for any of those cream, get it, the oil or the tube, get it and mix it with your normal moisturizer cream. Any moisturizer cream that you are using, it might be supermarket cream that doesn't contain anything lightning thing inside. You can just look for any cream like this tube, anyone, just add a little to it, mix it with your lightening oil, then be using it continuously, guys. Use it not in 2 to 3 months. Your skin will definitely blend together. You get it will definitely blend together. That is to say, whatever cream you are using, what am I trying to say, guys? Let me say it again. If you want to mix your cream, if you want to go for Nivea, you can mix other product like Fair and White So White oil, or any oil that you feel like is suitable on your skin. You can add it to any cream like Nivea, or any cream that you know is not the lightening or bleaching or a whitening cream. You can add those things to it. But if you are going for normal cream like Fair and White, Caro White, all those cream that you know it normally lightens the skin naturally, and you are thinking of, okay, let me add other product to it to make it active. No, don't do that. That is the reason why most people have complication on their skin. If you want to go for one thing, make sure you go for the full set. If you want to go for Fair and White So White, look for the set. Even if you think that particular set is not working for you, look for other sets to go for. Or if you are using the cream, for instance, you are using Fair and White cream and the cream is good for you and the oil is not working for you, look for other Fair and White oil that you know that is more active. Look for that particular one and mix to it. That way you will definitely have a nice skin, guys. So that is what I just want to say. So guys, that is to say, please don't use your tube just like this. Make sure you mix it along with your cream. That is all I just have to say. Thank you guys for your time. If there is anything you feel like you want to ask, you can just drop your comment section. When I come back from work, I will definitely reply you. And not only that, guys, if you have used any of this tube, please, if it is not nice on your skin, just know that the way you are applying it is not the right way to apply it. Make sure you add a little to your cream. Don't use it like this. So that is just it. Thank you guys for your understanding, and I love you all. If you have anything, if you have used any of this tube, or if you are using any tube that you know is nice, you feel like sharing, please state it on the comment section. Let people know about it. Maybe they can just go and grab it. Thank you guys for your understanding, and see you guys in my next video. And please do stay safe, and I love you all. May God bless you.